Hey there! Today, let's talk about a small but powerful herb you probably already know. Basil. Yep, the one that smells amazing on pizza or pasta. Turns out, it's more than just a tasty topping. Basil has been used for centuries, not only in cooking, but also in traditional medicine. And for good reason. This little green leaf is packed with antioxidants, especially eugenol, which helps fight inflammation in the body. That means it may help relieve joint pain, protect your heart, and even calm your mind. Some studies have shown that basil can help lower blood sugar, reduce stress and anxiety, and support your immune system. Plus, it's got these cool antibacterial properties, so it might help keep infections at bay. Pretty impressive, right? It's like having a little shield against germs. So, how can you actually eat basil to get these benefits? Well, the easiest way is to add fresh basil to your meals. Throw it into salads, sandwiches, pasta, or even smoothies. Fresh basil tastes slightly sweet and peppery, and it's full of nutrients. You can also dry it and sprinkle it on just about anything. Or, if you're a tea lover, steep a few fresh or dried leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy a calming basil tea. Oh, and don't forget about pesto, basil, olive oil, garlic nuts, and a bit of lemon. Delicious and healthy. Now, how much basil should you eat per day? A good amount is about 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh basil, or 1 teaspoon if it's dried. That's enough to get the benefits without overdoing it. But, like all good things, basil does come with a few precautions. If you're taking medication for diabetes or blood thinners, you should talk to your doctor first. Basil, especially holy basil in supplement form, can lower blood sugar and thin your blood. Also, if you're pregnant, avoid basil essential oil unless your healthcare provider gives the okay. So there you have it, a flavorful herb with some serious health power. Next time you see basil at the store or in your garden, don't just think of spaghetti. Think of it as a daily dose of wellness, right from nature. Thanks for watching. And if you learned something new today, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.